sharing one of my favorite non-alcoholic drinks. This is my Basil Mango Mocktail. I make it with the Polar Seltzer vanilla flavored water, with the basil, and I actually use frozen mango. I just simply drop all those ingredients in the glass. Super simple. You actually can sub out the fruit for whatever your preference is. If you want to use strawberries, if you wanted to use another form of berry, if you wanted to use a kiwi, whatever your palate likes. And even if not basil, you could use rosemary, you could use mint, whatever two combinations or even three that you like. This is a really good one with the seltzer water and that fizz. I love the fizz on the seltzer water. It gives it a nice, refreshing taste. This is something super easy if you want to get fancy and put it in your wine glass or put it in your whiskey glass, whatever makes you happy. Even if you want to put the glass in the freezer first, I do that sometimes. That's a nice added touch. I take my straw, spoon, whatever you want to use to mix it up to make sure the flavors blend well together. Super simple. You see how refreshing it looks, and it's really tasty. Let me know in the comments if you try this or if you like use another fruit.